Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, made with Glee. In this very short but sweet video, I am participating in the Pumpkins and Candles Tablescape collaboration hosted by the lovely Mrs. V and Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. I'm going to link both of our hosts' channel in the description box below, as well as a link to the playlist so that you can get some great ideas for decorating your table for fall. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I tend to use a lot of the same pieces over and over again on my tablescape. I will change out a few things, but not everything. There are a few staples that are always going to be on my table, and this is what it looks like currently for fall and what I'm doing for October. We have our fairy gardens in the background, but on my table I have a plain white tablecloth. The runner and napkins are a few years old. I got that from Home Goods. I have my tea set as always. And the pumpkins are pretty much a collection of pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree and Walmart, 97 cents. These are not new this year. These are all from my stash that I pulled out of my fall unboxing. There's a garland of ivy from another, I always have florals around. And the candles are all LED candles that I'm using, again, all on a timer, though I did turn it on for you guys to see that they do work. And that's how it looks. I do have two little scented tea lights just for that little bit of autumn scent in the house. But other than that, it's LED candles that I'm using, candle rings, and pretty much that's it. I had fun decorating my table for this particular collaboration, just using things I have around my house. It was no spend for me, and I love how it looks. And this will be my tablescape for the rest of the month of October until I change it over for Thanksgiving. So thank you guys for watching, liking, leaving comments. I love hearing from you, and again, do check out the playlist for some great ideas for your fall decorating. Have a wonderful day everyone. Bye, and see you soon with another video.